In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from Temu. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first, of course, you want to go to temu.com, and for example, let's just go on this product. So if you want to download this product video, what we want to do is download a Temu image downloader. S- So first, let's click on our extensions and select Manage Extensions. From here, you want to click on the Chrome Web Store and simply search for Temu Image Downloader. And just select the first app and just add it to your Google Chrome. So after you've added that, you want to go back to Temu. And from here, just click again on your extensions and click on Temu Image Downloader. So let's click on the product main image. So as you can see, the video right here, we can just click on this three dots icon, which is the more options, and we can just simply download the product video. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.